Hello, good evening. Hello, wow. Hello, hello,
Con được.
hello, Ken. Can you hear teacher? Hello,
Nè,
hello, Ken. It's nice to see you again. Wow. How are you today, Ken? How are you today? Are you happy today? Are you sad? How are
no.
you? I know.
Hmm.
How You're happy. Wow, that's good to know that you are happy today. How about did you already did you already eat your dinner today, this evening? Did
Nè,
you already eat? Wow, that's good to know. And where is Tom? Okay, let me just message Tom, okay? So for a while before we start our lesson, so that Tom will be able to notified or get notified. Okay, so now, Kian, so for our lesson for today, so we will still talk about transportation.
transportation.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say transportation.
Cái này
Okay, so now let's have a review. If you still remember, what are those transportation that we talked about last time? Let's have a review here. So let's move to this first one. Do you still remember what is the name of this transportation? Very good. It's a bus. Good job. How
is
about if perfect? Very good. So it's a bus. How about if we have two bus? What should we call the bus now? If we have two, what should we add? We will use or we will add, what should we call them? If we have two, how many bus is in this picture? Ken, how many? How? Okay, let me just. How many bus in this picture?
Trong bức ảnh này có bao nhiêu xe buýt?
This one. How many?
two.
Oh, this one is two. Very good. There are two bus. How about this one? In this circle. This. How many bus? There is only one. So if we have two bus, what should we call the bus? Kian,
Nếu chúng ta có hai chiếc xe buýt, chúng ta nên đặt tên cho chiếc xe buýt đó là gì?
what shall we call? It's bus. This one, it's buses. Okay, let's say buses.
Buses.
Okay, very good. So this word, so we use it if we have two or more bus. So we call them buses. So we will add because this or the bus ends with letter S. So we will add ES. So buses. Two buses. Okay, so next. How about this next transportation? What is this, Kian? Very, very good. Wow, this is a truck. How about if we have two? What should we call the truck? It's with letter S or without S? Very good. So we call it as trucks. Very good. Wow. How many trucks there are? How many?
Two. Two.
There. Very good. Wow. Good job. Good job, Kian. How about in this one? Channing, what is the name of our next transportation? What is this? It's a
Ten.
it's a train. Very good. One more time.
Four.
Let's say, okay, one more time. Let's say train. Train.
It's a train.
Very good. So it's train. How about if we have two? What should we call the train? We will add, we will add. What if we have two? What should we call the train? We will add letter S. So what will be the word? It is trains.
Trains. Trains.
Very good. Trends or trains. So we will have trains. Kian, how many? There are two, two trains. Okay, so very good. So that, okay, perfect. So for those words that if we have many or two or more things like this train, so we will just add S. Okay, so next, how about this next transportation? What is the name of this? What is this? It's starts with letter B. B, B, bo.
Boat.
Very good. Wow, good job. This is a boat. Is it a big, big, big or small boat?
Boat.
Small boat. Very good. This is a small boat. So now, what if we have two or three? Two or three boat. What should we call the boat? It we add a boat. Very good. Boats. So we will add letter S. So we have here three. How many? How many can? How many boats? There are three boats.
Three.
Boats.
Boat.
Okay, very good job. So now let's move on to our sentence pattern here. So let's review the sentence pattern that we have last time. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So let's read this one, Kian. Let's say, what's this? What? Let's say, what's this? What's this?
What? This.
Very good. So when we say what's, it is short for what is. So we
What?
use this. Very good. So we use this to ask for one thing, like this one. What's
What?
this? Yes, very good. Good job. What's this, Kian? It's an it's an old. What's this? It's an old bus. What's this? It's an it's an is it a new or old bus? It's okay. It's an. Can you say that one? Let's read. It's an old bus. Yes, very good. It's an old bus. Good job. So next, what's that? Let's read. What's that? Okay. So the difference between these two questions. So what's this? So we ask this. If the thing is near us. So for example, this one. So I have here a flower. So I will ask, what's, yes, what's this? So that is how we use. What's this? If a thing is close to us. But for if the flower is very far to us, so we will use what's that? Okay. So if we use what's that for things that are far. So close or near, then far. What's this? What's this? What's that? Okay, so that is the use of that two question. Okay, so next, let's have a new sentence pattern. Okay, so this one, let's read. What are these?
They are new bus.
Very good. Wow. So they are new bus. Next, what
They
are those?
three
Very
bus.
good. There three bus. Very good. There are three bus. Is it new or old? Is it new or old bus? Old or new bus? New. Very good. It's or they are new bus. So for this question, so we will use this question if we are talking about many things. Not only one, but many, many things. So we use what are these? Very good. What are these? We ask this if the thing that we are asking is close to us. What are those? We use this when we ask many things that are very far from us. Okay, so that is the use. So we will answer this question by their new bus. So we will use their, which is short for they are. Okay? Yes, okay. So now let's practice this two question and sentence pattern. So let's have here our first activity. So let's listen to this activity.
Page
Those. There. What's. What is. It's. It is. There. They are. Buses. Trucks. Trains.
Oh,
Boats.
1.
What's
one.
this? It's an old bus.
Okay, one more time. Let's listen to number one.
1.
What's this? It's an old bus.
Okay, so now let's take a look at number one. So Kian, what's this? What's this? Is it a new or old bus?
Three bus.
Three bus? Yes, there are three bus. How about this one? This one bus. Is it new or old bus? Is it new or old bus?
Đây là xe buýt mới hay cũ?
Is it new or old?
Âu là mới à?
It's
Âu. Âu.
very good. So, okay, let's try to answer in complete sentence. It's an it's it's an okay, let's say it's an old bus.
Bus.
Okay, very good. It's an old bus. Next, let's listen to number 2.
2.
What are these? They're new buses.
3.
Okay, one more
What's
time.
that?
Let's listen to number 2.
1.
2.
2.
What are these? They're new buses.
Okay, so next, let's have this one. How many bus can you see?
2 bus.
There are. Very good. 2 bus. Should we use bus or buses? Bus or buses? We will use buses. Okay, very good. Because we have 2 buses. So now, so okay, very good. Are these bus old or new?
Are these buses? Những chiếc xe buýt này là xe cũ hay xe mới?
Are these bus old or new?
No.
Very good. So now let's use the sentence pattern that we have learned. So there. So the question is, what are these? Okay. There. What are these? They're new.
Are new buses.
Very good. Good job. So that is for number 2. So good job. So next, number 3.
3.
What's that? It's a small truck.
Okay, one more time.
3.
What's that? It's a small truck.
Okay, so now let's take a look at number 3. It's number 3. So what's that? What's that, Kian? It's
Small truck.
very good. Wow, good job. You have a good listening skills. So very good. It's a small truck. What is the good job? What is the color of the small truck? What color? It
Yellow
is a yellow truck. Wow, very good. Good job. So next, let's go to number 4.
4.
What are those? They're big trucks. It's a small truck.
4.
What are those? They're big trucks.
Okay, so now let's take a look at number 4. So how many trucks can you see in this picture? This one. How many trucks?
2.
2 trucks. Very good. Is it small or big trucks? Big trucks. Very good. So now let's answer the question. What are those? What are those? They're big.
Là big truck.
Very good. So they are big trucks. So good job. Very good. So next, let's listen to number 4.
5.
What's that? It's a long train.
6.
Okay, one more
What-
time.
5.
What's that? It's a long train.
Okay, next. So number 5. Oh, number 5. So let's take a look at number 5 here. This one. What is this? Ken. Tom. Oh, what is this? It's
Marchen.
very good. It's a long train. Very good. Wow. Good job. It's a long train. How about this one? What are these? Is it long or short?
It is a short train.
It's short. Very good. So for this one, we will use their. Their short trains. Because we have two. We have two. How many train? How many short trains here?
Two trains.
Very good. There are two trains. So for this one, we will use their. Okay? Their short trains. Okay? So good job. So okay, very good. So this is their short trains. Next, so let's listen to number 7.
What's this? It's a fast boat.
Okay, one more
7,
time.
What's this? It's a fast boat.
Okay, so next. Okay, what is this? Number 7. Is it slow or fast?
Fast.
Very good. And what kind of transportation is this? It's a
It's a fast.
It's fast. Very good. And what do we call this transportation? Starts with letter B. Bo. It's a boat. This one. Can you see the picture here? This. What is this? It's a fast, fast boat. Okay, very good. So this is a boat. Are you sleepy now? Oh no. Okay, Tom is sleepy. So next, number 8.
8,
What are these? They are slow boats.
Okay, one more time.
8,
What are these? They are slow boats.
Okay, so next, for number 8, what are these, Tom?
Slow boat.
Very good. What should we use? It's or their? We will use their.
There are slow boats.
Very good. Because we have how many slow boats can you see? How many?
Boats.
2. Very good. So therefore, we have 2 or more boats. So we will use their slow boats. Okay, so very good. So now let's review our answers here. Okay, let's first read number 1, this one. Can you read this one? Let's say, what's
Glass
what's
is
this?
a old boat.
It's an old bus. Very good. So we will use its because we only have one old bus. How about number 2? What are these? There. What are these? They are,
New
excuse me, they're
buses.
new buses. Very good. So, buses, because we have two. Okay. Next, number 3. What's that? What's that? It's a,
Small
is
truck.
it a big? Okay, very good. It's a small truck. How about number 4? What are those? They are
Trucks.
very good. They are big trucks. So next, this one, number 5. What is that? What's that? It's it's a, what's that? This one. Is it a short or long train?
It's a
Short
long
or long? Okay, very good. It's a long train. So again, we use it's because we only have one train. So next, this one, number 6. What are those? There. They are. They are short. Short trains. Okay, one more time. See? What? They are short. Long or short?
Long.
Is it long? This one? The red train. Is it long? It is short. Okay, let's see. They're short trains.
Station.
Very good. Let's move on to number 7. What's that? This one. What's that? It's a
It's
fast.
fast boat.
Very good. It's a fast boat. And last one, what are these?
They are slow boat.
Okay, very good. So they are slow boats. So that is how we use or how we answer what's these and what are those. Okay, so very good, very good. Okay, so next, okay, so for this one, so we will answer another activity. So you will circle and check. For example, this one, number 1. Let's go with number 1. How many bus in number 1? How many bus can you see?
Bạn nhìn thấy được bao nhiêu chiếc xe buýt?
Very good. Very good. 2 buses. Now, can you circle buses here? Can you circle? Can you circle the word? Can you circle buses? Can you
Yes.
use your pen?
Yes.
Can to circle. Yes, very good. Can you circle buses? Circle the word. Yes, only buses. This one. Chinin. Only this. Yes, okay. Circle only the buses.
Khoanh tròn từ xe buýt.
This one, only buses. Can you circle that one? Oh, what is your answer? Buses.
Buses.
Yes, very good. Okay. One more time. Can you circle? Circle, circle, circle. Circle, circle, circle. Okay, the answer in this one is very good. It's 2 buses. Okay, so now let's check here. Very so good job. So let's check here. Shall we use this, that, these, or those? What is the word that we use? So for this, we use it if we only have one thing that is near to us. This is a flower. If it is far from us, that is a flower. So if we have 2 or more flower that is near to us, we will use these. This one. These are flower. If it's far, those. What is your answer? Since we have 2, Tom, since we have 2 bus here, is the bus near in the picture? In the picture, Tom, is the bus near or far?
Trong bức ảnh, Tom, chiếc xe buýt ở gần hay xa vậy?
Is the bus near or far? Near or far? Near or far? It's far. Yes, very good. So the bus is far from the girl. So therefore, since there are 2 buses, so we will use what we will use? Those. This one. So those, this one. Let's put a check here. So the sentence here will be, those are 2 buses. Okay, so that is for number 1. Because the bus are far, 2 buses are far, and we have 2. So we will use those because we are talking about 2 things that is far. So next, let's go with number 2. How many truck is in the picture, Tom? How many truck? Tom is sleeping now. How many truck in number 2?
One truck.
One truck. So very good. So we will use the word truck. Okay. So now, since we are talking about only one, so let's look at the boy in this picture. Is the truck in this picture? Is the truck near or far the boy?
Trong bức ảnh, Tom, chiếc xe tải đang ở gần hay xa cậu bé vậy?
Is the truck near or far? It is near. Very good. It is near. So therefore, what shall we use? This or that? This or that? What shall we use? This or that? We will use this one, this. Since the truck is near the boy, so we will use this. This is a truck. Okay, so this is a truck. So that is how we use these. Okay, so next, let's go with number 3. So let's take a look at the picture, Tom. How many train can you see in the picture? How many train? There is only how many? How many train? There is only 1. Very good. Perfect. So there is only 1 train. So now, in the picture, Tom, is the train near or far the
Trong
boy?
bức tranh, Tom, đoàn tàu ở gần hay xa cậu bé vậy?
Is it near or far, the boy? Near
Near.
or far? Are you sure? Is it near? Yes, very good. It's far. So therefore, since we since we only have one train, so since it's far, so we will use that. Okay, so the sentence will be that is a train. That is a train. So that is how the boy is pointing to the train. That that is a train. Okay? So next one, last number. Number 4. How many boats can you see in the picture?
2 boats.
Very good. So we will use boats because we have 2. Now, is the 2 boat or are the 2 boats near or far?
Near.
Near. Very good. So what shall we use? We will use, so this is near, this is far. So we will use these, okay? So for the sentence, so we will use these are 2 boats. These are 2 boats, okay?
2 boats.
2 boats. Okay, very good. So now let's review our answers here. So let's take a look at number 1. So okay, let's read first, Tom. Those, let's read. Those are 2, 2 buses.
2 buses.
Okay, next. So for this one, since we have 2 buses, we will use those. This is for the things that are far to us. This is near. Next, let's read this one. This is a truck. This is
This
a truck.
is a truck.
Okay, very good. So we use this because we only have one truck and the truck is near. So therefore we will use these. Next, that is a train.
This a train.
Very good. So we use that because we only have one train. However, the train is far. So instead of using these, we use that because the train is far. So next, last sentence is these are 2 boats.
These are 2 boats.
Very good. Okay. So now for this sentence, we use these because we have 2 boats. So this is used for things or many things that are near to a person. Okay? So that is how we use these, that, these, and those. Okay? So for this one, I think it's already our time, Tom. So thank you very much for your time today. I truly enjoyed our lesson for today. However, I think that you are having a quite difficulty in using these, that, these, and those. Okay? So for this lesson, I hope you will review how these words or these can be used in a sentence, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you very much, Tom, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye, and you did a great job today.
Good night.
Goodbye.
Good night,
Good
teacher.
night. Sleep well. You can now rest, Tom. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye bye. Thank you so much.